Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Oh my god, I was not prepared at all. I was sniffing around in my stash, in my older stash, and I found such a lovely painting. I painted 2 days on this one. One moment. So, put it away. And this is a big canvas from Art. And look at this cutie. It's Sea Princess by Art from Fabiana Attanasio. I think it's a 60 by 83. Give me one moment because it's so. These are 79 colors. This is the first painting with so many colors. Yeah, and look guys, how it's round. You see? Yeah, it's too big to show. I will try to bring my board a little bit better. So, this is so cute. Yeah, and I started that last year on December with an event. And after that, I did nothing at all anymore. So, I will start this one thing tomorrow. And then I have 2 canvases for 25. I hope I will fix it till the end. I wanted to start a Christmas one, but I think it's too late. But okay, we will see. Sometimes you go fast. So, that's the one. And I think that's all for today. I'm not feeling too well. Have all a lovely day, evening or night. And thank you for watching. If you want to become a member of my community, you're more than welcome. Bye guys, till next time.